always been warming the heart with a vibe.
Din, pumeke, pumasok. Wala, pinasok ay number 45. Good for 2 by number 45. Ay number 45. Number 40, dinadala bola kabo ni number 45. Number 45, pumasok. Good for 2 by number 45. Number 45, pumasok. Number 14, pass to number 45. Sa
Bang, bang. Nice.
One by number 45. 45, sa
Bang, bang. Nice.
14. Last 2 minutes. Number 45. 3 points. Number 14. Last 2 minutes. Number 45. 3 points.
Always been warming the heart with a vibe.
17, pass to 45 for 3 points. Jersey
kasama sa
number
highlights.
45. All right, easy layup by jersey number 45. Jersey number 1, 2, Yamson for 3 points. Jersey number 4, pass to Yamson. Yamson, tinira ng 3. Yari kayo doon sa 3 points. ni
Harap, harap!
Yamson.
Hey, harap!
Yamson.
Mamaya
Yamson dribbling. Yamson dribbling the ball by Yamson. Tinira ng 3. Alright, Yamson for 3 points. 50.
Always been warming the heart with a vibe.
Jersey number 1, rebound by number 4.
Ay, puting, di ba na?
Wala pa rin by 45.
Nice, nice.
Easy
Takbo,
two
Kesto.
points by jersey number 45.
Okwa. Bola, 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 bola.
Number 45 to number 4. Number 4.
Nice.
Counted for 9 by jersey number 3 points pero pinasa. Ay, wala. Uy! Easy 2 points by 45. Number 4.
Side mo na, side!
45 for 3. Dandalon by 45. Napakaswerte mo naman by jersey number 45. Ang galing-galing mo. Hindi na swerte yun. Jersey number 4. Jersey to number 45. 45 for 3. Right, ang galing mo. Jersey number 45 for 3 points again.
Always been warming the heart with a vibe.
Number 21 pass to number 45. 45 easy 3 point. 3 point. Wala. Number 45, 2 points. Yamson setting the game, pass to Twen. Tinira na by Yamson by jersey number 45.
Ayan ay shooting niya.
Joe. Alright, for the 3 points by Yamson. 12 sagad-sad mo na. Alright, but not good. Rebound by Yamson. Oh, Yamson for the 2 points. Rebound by 17. Pass break to Yamson. Yamson. Alright, for the easy shot by Mr. Yamson.
Always been warming the heart with a vibe.
Rebound by jersey number 14. Pass break to Yamson. Mr. Yamson, itira mo na yan. By 2 points, bro. For the 2 shots. Alright, 1 point. Rosario. Not good. Rebound by Arsenia to for Yamson. Oh, Yamson for the 2 points. Baba na daw kayo, sabi ni Perez. Walang bumaba. Nakuha tuloy ang bola by Rosario and Yamson.
10 seconds!
Yamson for the three.
5下传给2号，5下运球中，5下过人被超球，被他球45号，45号进攻很快，马比斯，2分球进转。
Alright. Rebound by Sabado. Sabado pass break to Yamson. Yamson! Easy shot by... Hey, there's a steal. Again. Yamson. Again. For the 2 points. Now 2 points. Jersey number 14 to Yamson. Yamson sa ilalim. Inagis na lang for the 2 points. By Yamson.
Second personal foul.
Good rebound by Josie, but still by Yamson. Yamson for the 3 points by jersey number 45, Yamson. The ball pass to Sabaloka. Sabaloka to Yamson. Yamson for the 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. Sabi ni Yamson for the 3-point shot.
Team blood. 4 shot clock. More seconds.
Yamson!
Ayusin na lang, gugutom.
Alright, ready jumper for the last throw. Alright.
14 seconds.
Yamson.
I always feel warm in the heart when you're alive.
Yan to Dison. Ay, there's a steal by Escal to Yamson.
Nice.
2 points by Yamson. What a nice steal. Sunday. Hindi, Saturday pa. Saturday to Yamson. Oy, swerte ko na eh. Oh, swerte yung ano ko, helping hand. Side hook hand. Pass to Yamson again. Yamson tumira ulit. Alright. 3 points by Yamson. Again, pass to Yamson. Yamson tumira na ng 3. Alright. Jersey number 45. Yamson. Okay, Rosario for the steal. Yamson again, Rosario. And Yamson. Sige pa. Alright. Yamson. Hindi lang pala pang 3 points. Joken dribbling the ball and setting the game pass. Rosario again. Rosario to Yamson for the 3-point shot. Alright. What a 3-point shot by Minzer.